Hello students, today we are going to study exercise 8.3. First we have to study some important identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From that we get sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, sin square plus cos square equal to 1, that is the first identity. Second, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Sec and tan are connected. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that we get sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And tan square theta equal to, by taking tan square to RHS, we get tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay. So sec square theta minus tan square equal to 1. And sec square is 1 plus tan square theta. And tan square theta equal to sec square minus 1. Next, cosec square minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. And cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, these are the very important identities. First question, express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay. So first we have to express sin A in terms of cot A. Sin A. Sin A equal to, we know that sin and cosec are reciprocals. So sin A equal to 1 by cosec A. Okay, sin A equal to 1 by cosec A. That is equal to 1 divided by square root of cosec square A. Square root of cosec square A. Cosec A is the square root of cosec square A. That is equal to 1 divided by cosec square. By using identity, we get cosec square theta equal to, cosec square theta equal to, or cosec square A equal to, cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A, isn't it? Therefore, we can write, instead of cosec square A, write 1 plus cot square A. Cosec and cot are connected. 1 plus cot square A. Here we have to write the reason, since by using the identity cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. From that we get cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So that is the first answer. Sin A here, sin A in terms of cot A. Okay. Second we have to write sec A, isn't it? Sec A equal to square root of sec square A. We can write sec A as square root of sec square A. Sec square A, that is equal to square root of sec square A. Sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A, isn't it? Using the identity sec square minus tan square equal to 1, we get sec square equal to 1 plus tan square. So instead of sec square A, we can write 1 plus tan square A. Here we are using the identity sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. But we have to express in terms of cot, that is equal to square root of 1 plus tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Therefore, we can write cot square A, 1 by cot square A. Reason, tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Tan and cot are reciprocals. So, we can write tan A as 1 by cot A. By taking LCM, we get this is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot square A. Now, by taking here, square root is, by taking square root on numerator, we get square root of 1 plus cot square A divided by square root of cot square A equal to cot A. So, second answer, sec equal to root of 1 plus cot square A by cot A. Next one, it is tan A. Tan A equal to, we know that tan A is the reciprocal of cot A. So, it is tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Okay. Second question, write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of CK. That is, we have to express sine, cos, tan and etc. in terms of CK. Okay. So sine A, first sine A. Sine A equal to, we know that sine A equal to square root of sine square A. Okay. We can write sine A as square root of sine square A. But sine square A equal to root of 1 minus cos square A. Here we are using the identity sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Okay. Sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So from that we get sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. But we know that cos and sec are reciprocals. So instead of cos we can write 1 by sec square A. Because since cos A equal to 1 by sec A. Cos and sec are reciprocals. Now taking LCM we get this is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 by sec square A. That is equal to square root of sec square A, the same, sec square A minus 1 by denominator square root of sec square A equal to sec A. Okay, this is the first answer, that is sine in terms of sec A. Next, cos A. Cos A equal to, cos is the reciprocal of sec and cos are reciprocal, so we can write cos A equal to 1 by sec A. Second is over. Now third we can write tan A. Tan A equal to sin A divided by cos A. Sin A equal to square root of sin A equal to, here this one, sin A equal to sec square A minus 1, root of sec square A minus 1 by sec A. So here it is sec square A minus 1 by sec A. And cos A equal to 1 by sec A, isn't it? Divide by 1 by sec A. These two get cancels. After that we get tan A equal to square root of sec square A minus 1. Tan A equal to root of sec square A minus 1. Next, cot A. Cot A equal to, cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A, that is equal to 1 divided by tan A equal to root of sec square A minus 1. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by root of sec square A minus 1. Okay. 1 by root of sec square A minus 1. Next, cosec. Cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. 1 by sin A. We have sin A equal to root of sec square A minus 1 by sec A. So its reciprocal is sec A by root of sec square A minus 1. That is equal to sec A divided by root of sec square A minus 1. Okay. Sec square A minus 1. Third question. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. First one, it is 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. Question, 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. We can take the common factor 9 outside. By taking 9 outside, first remaining sec square A minus second tan square A. Sec square A minus tan square A. But we know that sec square minus tan square is the identity, isn't it? Therefore, it is 9 into 1. Reason, since sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. Using that identity, we get it is equal to 9 into 1. That is equal to 9. Therefore, the correct option is which one? B. B is the correct answer. Okay. So, the answer is B. Option B. Second question. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equal to here the options are given. So question is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So that is equal to change all the terms in terms of all the given terms in terms of sine and cos. Okay. So we can write 1 plus tan theta is same as sine theta by cos theta plus sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by cos theta into here it is 1 plus cot theta is cos theta by sine theta minus cosec equal to 1 by sine theta. Okay. Now taking LCM, first one will become cos theta is the LCM. 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into second one, after taking LCM we get 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. Okay. Take cos theta plus sin theta within bracket. We can take it as A. So it is A plus B into A minus B form. Okay. A plus B into A minus B, it is A square minus B square. A square means cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. Cos theta plus sin theta the whole square minus B square, it is equal to 1 square, that is 1. Divide by denominator, when you multiply cos theta into sin theta, that is equal to cos theta sin theta. When you expand, here it is of the form A plus B the whole square, A square, that is cos square theta plus B square, that is sin square theta plus 2AB, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Take A square and B square, here cos square and sin square. Take 2AB after that. Then we get 2 sin theta cos theta, that minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square plus sin square, it is equal to 1. So we can replace cos square plus sin square by 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Here we are using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Now 1 get cancels. Sin theta cos theta and sin theta cos theta also get cancels. You get final answer 2. Hence the correct option is, that is C. 2 is the correct answer. So option C is the final answer. Okay. So answer option C.